Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video. So if you go to that link, I will explain in detail. Now, I will say that from a presentation standpoint, this is a pretty tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there was a pretty big pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base. And that's what you want to see, assuming you care about the big picture. You want to see overall uptrends built, and overall uptrends are built by just prices putting in higher lows over extended periods of time. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all of this. So the main level and one of the key levels to watch from a support standpoint, and this is just for argument's sake, I'm not saying at all the price is headed down here, but let's just say that the price actually does go down to that 0013 mark. Again, not saying it'll happen, but just to really kind of illustrate that the overall chart is still plenty fine and plenty bullish. So if the price were to go all the way down there, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have emphasis on big picture? Well, from the big picture point of view, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Again, I'm well aware, I get it. If you are some sort of day trader or flipper, and you bought up there or you bought right there, then you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.